All right.
Yeah.
It's July 3rd, 2021. We're gonna light off the cannon to kind of start off the festivities for July 4th. Woo woo!
With me sometimes.
I know.
You ready?
Yeah.
Ooh. That's the beginning of our Independence Day. Woo! So we're getting ready for the bonfire July 3rd.
That's not
We're
awesome,
with the
but that's
cutest kids ever.
I'm the cutest.
So cute. Oh my goodness.
I'm cuter than all y'all.
I think you're all so cute. I wouldn't even say who's the cutest.
I'm the cutest.
Okay. Now let's talk about what's going on tonight. What are we gonna
It's
do?
the 3rd of July, almost the 4th. Yeah, and there's
That's why I didn't bring
and there's gonna be fireworks. And a huge fire.
Nice.
And there's lights.
All right.
I didn't.
Nice.
Neither.
So we'll wait for the festivities.
It's raining out, but we got a big turnout. There's the crew. It's hard to see, it's pitch black, raining, but we're making the best of it. Should be lighting the fire here in a minute. I gotta tell you, more people than I expected. Everybody's got their umbrellas, they got their tops. They're trying to light the bonfire now. It's been raining for days. Hasn't rained in months. And then it rains on the 3rd of July. Go figure. So we're making the best of it. All these crazy people out here with us. I'm standing on a freaking rock in the water trying to film. So forgive me if I get a little tipsy. God bless the USA. Woo! See what I mean, boys and girls? They're having a hard time lighting the bonfire. This thing's like 30 feet high. I don't know. I'll point, and I'm pointing out here, but there's like 30 feet worth of pallets, and you can't see, but they're having a hard time getting them burned. Because it's pouring out now. I'd say it's about 54 degrees and pouring. freaking pouring. I'm soaked. Everybody's soaked. Nice. Bonfire's not lighting. Freaking fireworks in the rain. Freaking crazy, huh? I see smoke. I see smoke. I see some smoke. Boats are moving in, people moving out. I mean, this is freaking awesome. 2021, 4th of July. Love it. Good times. Maine and New Hampshire coming together, right? For the most part, even though the states can't figure it out, but all us folks can. Gonna love it. It's don't happen everywhere. Took a bit, but it's been raining for days, so it was probably soaked even though it was partially covered. But these guys have been stacking pallets for probably the last month, probably, collecting and stacking. This is 60 years we've been doing this. God bless America. Fire's burning. Freaking love it. Woo! ripping. Wow, it's starting to pick up. It's pouring, really pouring now. Wow, this is nuts. Woo! There's the pallets burning. "60 years anniversary. We've been doing this. Not we, but people from all walks of life. Everybody remembers this. You come here, remember this the rest of your life. Good times, good people. Friggin' awesome. I don't know. It's hard because I don't know how good this films at night, but there's a huge cloud of smoke and the flames are starting to climb. Yep, the island's burning.
Do they need to call the firefighters?
Nope, it's an island. It doesn't go anywhere, right? You can't burn. It's in the water. Look at that smoke, kids. Can you see it? Oh, you guys can't see them, but there's a couple canoers coming in. No lights, no tops, no nothing, man. Frickin' people loving it. Is this frickin' awesome or what? Frickin' love it. Life is good, man. Look at that. That's frickin' ripping. It's pouring rain. Look at that. Look at those flames. I would say we have 40-foot flames. Those gotta be 40. That's gotta be, I would say maybe, I would go on a limb and say even maybe a little more than that. Those are 40, 50-foot flames right there. And I know it doesn't seem, I don't know how it seems on the camera, but I mean, we're about 200 yards away from that fire right now with this camera view. So this is a GoPro Hero 8, so we're about 200 yards. So if now we all know what we could see. Good times. Good times for everyone. freaking, wow, look at those freaking flames, man. Dude, those are freaking awesome flames. Wow. Wow. Look at all these diehards out here. We're all getting soaking wet. God bless America. Look at those flames. Unreal. Shit, we got waves coming in, man. I'm standing on a rock. I'm getting soaked. I'm starting to get freaking cold. It's probably like 50 degrees. Maybe 52. It's probably warmer in the water. Nobody. Trying to stick it out, man. Ha ha ha! Woo! Is that your little buddy? Hunter? You got your little buddy? Is he? That's his name, Austin? Mom's calling you, Austin. Go see Mom. Yeah.
I got 100 kids.
We got 40-foot flames still. We got people freaking partying everywhere. Awesome or what? Yeah, I got water in my boot. Probably time to call it quits. for you, buddy. And Scott. And Julia. Everybody who can't be here.
Kayla, Dorothy, 2021!
Woo! Freaking awesome or what? Awesome. Boy, do I love America. Freaking love it, man. I'm frozen. Yeah, I'm freaking soaking wet and I'm frozen. Happy 4th of July. Let it burn.